Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Allowing Change to Unfold from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Allowing change to unfold. Don't condemn yourself for wanting more. Those desires you yearn for is God calling you towards growth and expansion. If they were useless, God wouldn't have birthed within you the desires. Allow change to unfold for your evolution and the evolution of humanity, and allow God to mold you into the essence of who you are. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Like, as soon as I started letting go of my ego issues and just started digging deep and following my heart, like truly following my heart, dig deep in those things that I'm doing now, it feels so good to be doing the things that you love to do. And there's so many doors that open you don't realize. It's amazing. Just allow the universe, God, whatever you want to call it, to unfold the things for you. Don't force it. And make sure it's from the heart. Dig deep for that. Slow your vibrations. Keep the negativity away. Follow love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.